Hey there, good people. Big Mo Crypto here. Got some new information for you I wanted to share. Now, this just recently came across my desk, and this is the Gemini Earn program. Um, you can now earn interest on your crypto from the Gemini trading platform. Now, I've been checking this out for a minute, and I did a little test drive, and I'll share that with you. But here's the bottom line up front. You can earn 7.4% APY on your crypto held in Gemini. Yep, I did not stutter. 7.4% APY. As opposed to, well, you know what? Let me tell you a little bit about it first, and then we'll take a little field trip out here. All right, so the first thing is this is the Gemini trading platform, Gemini.com, and this is their blog. So Gemini is similar like a Coinbase or a Crypto.com. I'd say more like a Coinbase. All right, and of course, there's plenty of crypto platforms out there for you to try. But anyway, Gemini is a good one. I've had a Gemini account for a couple of years now, and they're a little, they're a little less friendly in terms of ease of use. But what they lack there, they make up for with all these earn programs. Plus, they have a lot of other. You can trade on this platform. Anyway, this is not about Gemini. This is just tell you about the program. So the deal is, interest is earned and compounded daily, and you can redeem your crypto at any time. All right, and the interest rates vary based on which cryptocurrency it is. So to get started is super easy. You go to their mobile app or to the website. I'm on the website. Create an account if you don't have one, which will take you back to the site. Click or tap on Earn, right? And then select any amount of crypto from your Gemini account to earn interest on. So either you have crypto already in here, or you can transfer it in. You can always transfer your Bitcoin or whatever it is. No minimum balance and no fees. It's available in the U.S. and Singapore, and available, and 28 of their cryptos are supported. All right. So let's talk about this for a minute. All right. I was talking to my friend. He was like, "How in the world can they offer 7.4% APY?" I have no idea. But let's do a little quick comparison. Okay. Now, the national savings rate average is 0.06%. So what I'm showing you here, this is bestrates.com. Okay, accounts.bestrates.com. This is where you can see your CD rates, your savings rates, so on and so forth. Now, this for savings account here at Goldman Sachs is 0.5%. Citibank 0.5%. American Express 0.4%, and so on and so forth. All right, and they have their various their fees and their minimums, $100 minimum opening deposit, stuff like that. Now, look at Ponce Bank 0.25, and this is a CD, so that means your money's locked up for a year. All right, so this is what savings accounts are going for now, folks. So this is just to give you an idea. All right, now let's go to the calculator here. All right, simple savings calculator. If you put in $10,000 into one of these savings accounts, right, over a period of 2 years, no additional monthly contribution, we want to keep it simple, at the highest APY I saw on the page, 0.5%, at the end of 2 years, you would have earned $100.25 in interest. Okay, I'm waiting for that to sink in. In 2 years, you'd have earned $100.25 in interest. So your 10,000 went to a whopping 10,125, which I guess is better than sticking under a mattress or burying it in the yard, I guess. All right. Crypto interest. All right. This is on their same page, Gemini.com Earn, and all I did was calculate your savings. All right. You can calculate it yourself. I just used the initial basic one with the highest interest rate. Like they said here, earn more than 100x, 100 times the average national interest rate. All right. So calculate your earnings. So this is the same $10,000 using the DAI cryptocurrency, which gives 7.40% APY. Your 2-year interest is $1,534.76. Again, I'll give you a second to let that sink in. The other page, with a regular interest rate, you'd have been $100.25. With this, $1,534.76. Can you say no brainer? All right, so again, the biggest thing here is just getting used to the platform. They made it very easy, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the 28 cryptos that they currently support with the Earn program. 1 inch is one of the highest, 7.4%. DAI, that's the one we just looked at. And let me see, I know there's another couple of them that are 7%. So some are 1.77, 2.47. I think Bitcoin is like around 3%, something like that. Anyway, just to show you that I'm actually involved in this thing, and I test this stuff out before I share it with anybody. I have Injective. So this particular crypto is going for, oh, it's not showing the prices. That's okay. So this is my 30-day interest. I made $2.17 USD, which is 0.16 of Injective. I have a little over $1,700 worth, 134 Injective coins. And let's see. All right, so just this was my total balance. So I have 0x. So these are all the cryptos I have in the program, and they're earning different interest rates. Okay, and this is the the amount in each one. So it's a grand total of about $2,007.41. So just today in interest, I earned $28.48. Yeah, no kidding. Off of $2,000, just today I earned $28.48. Now, this is showing my 30-day interest in all of these. Now, I'm not sure how to tell what the total, you know what I mean, like the total I've made over the last 30 days. I'm sure there is, but I don't want to click around too much. I don't want to show you all my business, just a little bit of my business. All right, so let's go over here to 0x. There are only two actions, right? You can either earn or redeem. So we're already earning. So just as easily as I put this in the program, I could redeem it. Come on, there we go, redeem, and it's however much. So let's say we do 2 of my ZRX, which is approximately $2. Let me see, let's do 3. Yeah, $3.25. Hit continue. There's no fees. It goes right to your trading balance. The funds will be available August 27th. And what's today? The 22nd, no, the 21st. So it takes a few days, it looks like, to get it over there. So by clicking confirm, you're making a request to call back this principal amount and earn interest. If any, under one or more of your loans outstanding, if any, you understand these funds will stop earning interest once you make this request. So you hit confirm, and it'll go right back to your trading balance. And I'm going to cancel it because I have no reason to redeem it. So here's the point, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Total interest earned to date. So I earned $7. Huh. Okay. So here's the point, guys. That while the whole point of crypto is to try to afford to grow, right? If you had Bitcoin at 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000, and today it's around 49,000, it's grown, right? In a short period of time. Now, it's projected that Bitcoin could hit $100,000. All right, I'm not making that up. As I'm talking to you, I'll Google that real quick, or Yahoo it, if I can spell here. Projected price of Bitcoin. All right, so the whole point is, guys, while you're waiting for it to appreciate, let's see if it just, what is the future price of Bitcoin? Yeah, they're setting up to $74,000 as a wallet investor. Anyway, it's around 47,000, and it's projected to hit $100,000 by the end of this year. Now, could that happen? Maybe. Will it happen? I can't say for sure, but it's a possibility. Anyway, so back to the point. What you want to do, or what you want to consider, is parking your money. While you park your money, let it earn some interest. That's it. Simple as that. If you're waiting for your crypto to grow, Say you want your Bitcoin to hit 100,000. It's just sitting there, right? You're not selling it. You're not doing anything with it. Or your Gemini dollar or your injective petroleum. I forget what the P stands for. But anyway, injective. Um, why not make some money on it? Why not make 5%? Why not make 7%? Okay. That's the whole point. All right, folks, that's it. That's all I wanted to share. Just let you know about the Gemini Earn program. I'll be hitting you with some more videos about Gemini, Coinbase, Crypto.com. That's probably my favorite platform for just day to day. They have an amazing app, but this is not about Crypto.com. But anyway, just stay tuned. Please share, like, and subscribe. Appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Be well, be safe, be blessed, be prosperous.